I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna go ahead and go with the flow. I'm not sure exactly what I'm about to do, but I definitely know that I am here for makeup and so are you. So without further ado, let's get right on to the video. I just went ahead and prepped my skin using First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration Skin Protection. This one is in pink grapefruit, which smells so wonderful and so awakening and so healthy. I really love my skin whenever I apply this. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my brows, you guys. So I still have some of the products left from last time and I'm gonna go ahead and just use them to create a look today. I'm trying to grab my brow brush that had fell down and got it. So we're gonna go ahead and take Salon Perfect. This is the Done in One Brow Pomade in a dark brown and fast forward it for you guys. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed as to having my momentum as high and full of energy and happening throughout the video. So we shall see. I do not have my MacBook today for me to look through. So all I have is that small window and for a change that feels good. So we're just gonna go ahead and quickly comb through our brows and go from there. Alright you guys, so the brow process was a lot more easier and smoother today than yesterday. I'm still trying to get back into my pace after the surgery and my stamina is not even close to where it used to be. So anyhow, the second step I'm going to do is taking my Makeup Revolution concealer palette and I'm going to go ahead and quickly carve out my brows. Brows are officially done. I'm gonna go ahead and start working onto my face, and for that I'm gonna go ahead and correct using my Amazing Cosmetics concealer corrector. The one I have here is in medium deep, I believe. Yes, so we're just gonna go ahead and take either or side. They both work just miracles, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying that. Right, now that we are all corrected, we're gonna go ahead and start working with our foundation. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation by NARS Cosmetics. The shade I have here is Medium Dark 1, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shake. And today I will be mixing this with Makeup Revolution and Luminous Gold Drops, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my mixing plate. Foundation has been in market for about some time, you guys, but unfortunately I have never really was tempted enough to reach for it, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a go today for the first time. I've owned it for a while, but it's always been, you know, not my #1 priority to try it out. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a whirl. So, ooh, this looks really pretty mixed in together. Hopefully it'll give me a very nice glow to my skin. I did about 1 big dollop of that dropper. Ooh. I think I did good matching this online. What do you think? I'm gonna go ahead and I really don't want to use Beauty Blender, but that's what gets the job done so fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. So there we go. So what I have in my mind today is actually that I want to film this for you guys, but I want to do it so fast but so informative and so good of a video that I want to just challenge myself. That's what the challenge is, that I need to do this in a timely manner, because yesterday's video that I filmed for you guys actually took about good 4 to 5 hours, and it's not very good whenever you are on time limit and you are a mother or you have family that are waiting on you and whatnot. So let's see if we can do that. I really like this. I love this foundation. It's like giving me that medium to full coverage without making me look cakey or making me feel so heavy on my skin. So I do like that. For the concealer, I want to go ahead and go with Clinique Beyond Perfecting. This is the foundation concealer I have here in 6.75 Sesame. I love the fact that it is a full coverage concealer, but it comes in a foundation bottle, so basically you get a lot more. So I like that. And I also like this big fat wand too. And this is what I like about the Shape Tape as well as All of Us. but this is one extra benefit of purchasing this one. Nice, it's blending very beautiful. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour, and where's my walnut? Where's walnut? I'm gonna just go ahead and quickly do that. So there we have that. To set the under eyes, moving on to the Laura Mercier translucent powder, just because I love this so much. I'm gonna go ahead and take my crown brushes. This is their setting brush, and I love it that it's pointed. I can go very close to my under eyes. Beautiful. For the rest of the face, wherever else I have foundation or contour, I'm gonna go ahead and take Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium. Skin tone, it also brings that color back onto my skin that sometimes you kind of tend to lose whenever you're highlighting and contour, so I like that. So I am taking Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I believe this has by far the most exciting contour palette ever. Being a high-end, I just like to mix all three shades together to highlight and brighten under my eyes and wherever else I need that. For the bronzer, I am taking Contour Palette. This is by Cargo Cosmetics. Their shade I have here is Monaco. I believe they have two different choices available for you guys. This shade is warm enough for a bronzer, but not contour for my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this to bronze. Love the way this smells, by the way. Contour, moving on to the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, just mixing three shades together, tapping out the excess, and just contour. Everyone has a different shape for their face, and that's why you should definitely find out by experimenting as to which type of contour would work for you. Like my contour looks better when I go all the way towards my lips and go higher in the back, and that's what I like to do. And then I also don't like to have a very harsh line that some people do to clean their contour. I like to have a little bit of unclean contour line, and I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you how. I'm gonna take the Rimmel London translucent powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and roughly clean. Like, I don't want to bake it. I've done that, but I feel like this is what works best for my face shape. Outer brush, just to clean any excess off where it does not stand out so much. Blush, I'm trying out New Pacifica Natural Minerals Wild Rose Blush. You guys, I have never tried their blushes out. Today would be the first time. Upon swatching, it feels a little bit more of a very sheen blush, so it's not exactly your typical matte brush. I'm gonna go and take that onto this blush brush and apply. Pacifica is a cruelty-free and 100% vegan line, and that is one of the things that stands out to me. It is easily available for you at Target, and I'm really living this glow from this blush. Like, it's got a hint of color to my skin, but then it's still natural. Like that. Fine, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a go. This is Ebony Cosmetics. These are the mini lipstick from them. However, this one does not have their name on it. That's weird. They all came in a package. This one right here is in High Rise, which I really like that it's being a nude color and everything. This one right here is Kiss and Tell, which is like a brownish kind of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Like, I need any more brown, but okay. Ooh, that's exact my lip color. How weird is that? I can already tell you that I don't like this lip color because that's what I'm always having on. I'm gonna go ahead and try the High Rise, which is a nude color. Too pale. Alright you guys, if you're new to my channel, do know that this is my favorite eyeshadow base. This is from NYX Cosmetics. The color is Skin Tone. It really makes my eyeshadow last all day. This Beauty Blender blends eyeshadow base like a charm. If you haven't tried it, definitely do that because I didn't and I am hooked onto it. Since I have this in front of me, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this on a jumbo brush and set my eyeshadow base. Any translucent powder of your choice would do. You guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Kat 1D Shade and Light eye palette as well, and I'm going to go ahead and start working with my first transition shade being this one right over here. Bottom lash line as well. So this is the shade I'm going to take, which is a little bit lighter than the one that is in the Kat 1D palette. I'm just going to go and take that onto the same brush. Apply that to bring a little bit more of the color onto my eyelid. I will now be taking the richer chocolate shades from this palette, which being these two right over here. Tap off the excess and bring more depth into your crease. And if you haven't noticed, I am using the very same Crown Brush blending brush. I have not switched it. I have learned to use just one brush to save myself some time and cleaning. And go back to the Crown Pro palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these two shades, which are absolutely stunning, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with those because they're still pretty much just in the same color category that what I have in my mind, where this one being a lot more of a pop and happening. So if you guys want, you can definitely opt in for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that for today and go for this color range. What we're gonna do is actually create a cut crease. Like I told you guys that I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Cosmetics paint pot for that. This is in Soft Ochre. I am taking Crown C510 brush, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right over. Alright, what I'm gonna do is flip my brush to the other side and take the other shade like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that into the center. That I'm gonna go ahead and take my Cargo Cosmetics swimmable pencil, which I love so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that in Pebble Beach, like I have their name memorized because I like them so much. So this is just gonna go ahead and bring more depth to my waterline without making it look very dark, as a black would do that. So this is more of a chocolate color. Go to the Kat 1D palette again. I will take this shade right over here onto a shading brush and just apply that. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. However, it may be time to retire this, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Alright, the last thing I want to do is create some dots into my lower lash line, and I will do that with the same eyeliner by Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna go ahead and roughly do about 3 dots. For the highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and take JCat Beauty You Glow Girl. This one is in Moonlight. Like always, taking my beloved Crown brush to apply that. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and take my Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix all 3 shades. Whoops! I'm going to mix all 3 shades together, and what I do with it is just go under my eyes, and this is just to bring a little bit more of a glow and brightening effect to it. So all together my skin would look very nice and happy. Go ahead and blend my highlight. I just want to make sure that it looks very healthy highlight, not very harsh. Alright you guys, so this right here is the full-on glam for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Really loving the 80s vibe that this look is bringing on, which is super accidental, just so you know. Really had fun creating this look, as I told you guys, and I think I did such a good job today timing myself and making sure that I'm not wasting so much time thinking and watching YouTube videos while I'm getting ready and stuff like that. So this is another improvement for me, so I hope this works and stays this way for me. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, you guys, if you agree with me and love this video, and also subscribe on your way out. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at MakeupDilse, and I will also leave the rules and regulations down below as well, just so you guys know and have it. And hit thumbs up on this video and let me know what one thing you like about me or my channel, and I will just go ahead and quickly show you what I'll be including in the giveaway. I have a BH Cosmetics Carly Babel Deluxe palette, and then I have a Club Tropicana BH Cosmetics palette, which is full of pigmented colors. Then I have the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Lashes, and I have 2 of these, so both of the winners will get. I have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Baked Eyeshadow Palette in California. This right here is the Sculpt and Blend 10-piece brush set. You guys, I love this brush set. I love blending my foundation with this. I still use it to this day and just really love this. So, and another palette I have here is the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette, and the last but not least, Midnight Affair 16 color eyeshadow palette. Most of the palette, I believe, except for this one right over here, I have used all of these BH Cosmetics palette. I personally own them to myself, and is why I chose to purchase them through their website. Hopefully you guys enjoy this giveaway. I will have 2 winners. Not sure how I'm gonna split this giveaway in 2, but this is what I've got going on. This video is not sponsored. I am totally doing this out of my heart for you guys, just because of your love and support is why I'm here and I'm continuing to do filming. I've really got myself out of that loneliness because of filming, so thank you so much for that. I also want to apologize that this giveaway is only for US residents only, that are 18 and older, and for international viewers I would definitely have something upcoming in near future, but for right now, please forgive me for that. And with that said, that's pretty much is it for today's video. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will definitely see you guys later. Bye bye.
You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch.